Welcome to the Rogers Space Heaters International Maintenance and Repair video series. Number 3. Air filter replacement, plastic end cover replacement, or rotor and blade replacement. This demonstration uses the components of a master aspirated oil-fired space heater. Other brands of space heaters are similar, and much of this information shown here can be used with other brands. For an explanation of how an aspirated space heater works, see Maintenance and Repair video number 2. Tools you will require: 5/16 AF spanner or socket and feeler gauge. Before beginning the job, remember, the most important thing is safety first. Be sure the heater is completely disconnected from the power supply, and do not attempt this repair if the combustion chamber is still hot from recent use. Remove the retaining bolts and lift away the top cover. Remove the fan guard. Remove the plastic end cover, which is held by 3 or 4 bolts depending on which master space heater model you have. If replacing a damaged plastic end cover, remove the old cover and offer up the new one after first fitting the bypass adjuster, spring, ball and blanking plug retrieved from the old housing. If any of these parts are damaged or missing, replace old parts with 4108.379, 4102.141, 4102.133 and 4102.125. If replacing air filters, replace old filters with appropriate new filters. Those shown here, for example, 4101.358 and 4101.341. If servicing the compressor, remove the air pipe from the barb and the bolts holding the port plate. Lift away. You will then see the rotor and blades. Replace if damaged or broken, or if the blades have become very short in length. Whilst the compressor is dismantled, clean all surfaces before fitting the new components, and if the pump body has been disturbed or a new rotor is being fitted, check the clearance between the top of the rotor and the pump body. On the master space heater shown here, the clearance should be 3 to 4 thousandths of an inch, or 0.076 to 0.101 millimeter. Adjustment is achieved by loosening the screws top and bottom of the pump body. When this has been done, replace the port plate, refit the filters and the plastic end, and refit the air line to the barb. In both cases, be sure not to over-tighten the bolts holding the port plate and the plastic end. Replace the fan guard and replace the top cover. Refit and tighten the top cover retaining screws.